Hey guys, Cecil at HTP, and the question is, are board throttle bodies worth it? And I'm going to say the proof is in the pudding. This is Gen3 Busa. Has one of our engine packages, our street package. It should be a 270 horsepower plus. So I decided to do a quick video to show you guys, is board throttle bodies worth it? Well, if you take a look at my dyno run, we did 4 runs on this bike. 241 horsepower was the stock airbox with the stock velocity stacks put in this Gen3 Busa. And as you can see, it was terrible. The bike only made 241 horsepower. We removed the airbox lid, threw in a set of our HTP velocity stacks, no tuning whatsoever. It went from 241 to 248, picked up 7 horsepower. Then I got the old question, everybody's like, do I need to tune for velocity stacks? So I tuned the engine up. So once I got done tuning it, went from 248 to 250. So to answer that question, if you don't tune your bike with putting velocity stacks in it, is it going to hurt anything? No. Are you going to get the max potential out of it? No. So if you tune it, I picked up 2 more horsepower. Only 2. I got 2 more horsepower by adding the fuel and getting the ignition timing correct for the peak curve of the new velocity stacks. Still down in the toilet. This engine should be making 270. It's only making 250. A Hayabusa motor is a Hayabusa motor. Although there's Gen 1s, Gen 2s, and Gen 3s, there's still a Hayabusa. They're still making the same power output when all things around them are the same. So, took the stock throttle bodies off, bored them things out, and now you can see, next pull, picked up 23 horsepower over the velocity stack too. And I didn't touch it. I literally put the board throttle bodies on it and touch it. I got a couple more tweaks. This thing's gonna make 275. The street bike guy's gonna be happy. He's gonna be out the door. He's making what he should be. If you built your motor in your Hayabusa and it's not putting out the power on a Gen 3, before you go yelling at your engine builder, make sure you got board throttle bodies.